The use of the different arithmetic operators in the Python by using with the numbers. Arithmetic operators, what are the arithmetic operators? Plus, minus, multiplication, division. But here we are using two more symbols for division depending upon what type of operations we are using it. So let's see in detail how we can use all these symbols with the numbers in the Python. First we are dealing with the plus symbol. 4 plus 3, or you can use 3.4 plus 5, any number you can use the plus operation. The same way, if I am dividing anything with another number, I will get the result. If the second number is in minus form, we will get the result in the that way also. Another use of the arithmetic is multiplication. When we are dividing any number with another number, we will get the result. Either that number is in the decimal, we will get the result in the decimal, and either way. Now the main use is the division operator. This symbol, this is the division operator. Suppose if I am dividing 13 by 2, then when I am using this single slash operator, for that I'll get the result in the fully calculated way. If I am using double slash symbol, then it will give us the only the quotient part without any fraction part. It will give us the result only in the quotient part. What if sometimes if I want to do the calculation and I am just focusing only on the remainder part, for that we can use this percent symbol. We are using this word, this is percent symbol, but in programming we are using the term modulus. Modulus means this symbol is used to divide the things, but it will give us the remainder. All these three symbols are used for division purpose, but their functions are different. This will give us the result in the form of decimal part. This will focus on only on the quotient part, and this will focus on only on the remainder part. Suppose when we are calculating even number, odd number, for that we can use this symbol, because if the number is fully divisible by that number 2, then it will give us. For that we will use this modulus operator symbol. Now last one is the double star symbol. We are using this symbol when we have to do the exponent or power of anything. This shows 3 raised to the power 2. Suppose if I am using 4 raised to the power 4 or 5, then it will give us the result. I hope this much is clear to you, the use of the different arithmetic operators with the numbers in Python. Thank you. Do like my video and share the videos.